Got one. I don't know, it's fighting. Look, see? That's not me. Oh. Oh no, I think, dang it. I think it's stuck now. I swear I had one because it was pulling, but maybe it let go and then I got it stuck. Nothing yet.
Just had one though.
I mean, yeah, I think I had a bit of a fight, but it got off. But I think it was a little one, and its whole thing is flooded. Let's bring him over here so now you can. Tata. No, he didn't see it. All right, now you just bring it up here. Okay, got him.
We got another one.
You want to see it? Yeah, you can put it down. And go ahead and just grab them snugly. Not let you take a pic. Okay, just hold on. Keep them close to the net. You can let them in the water. Yeah. Yeah, let them go. So, yeah. There he goes.
He's definitely like,
yeah. Did you see the bug that came up?
what bug?
There was like a shrimp looking thing.
It's probably a dragonfly larva.
Yeah, like a dragonfly nymph.
Maybe that's what they're eating on the bottom?
Yeah, possibly. Oh, and look. The husk of something.
Dragonfly nymph.
Yeah, it's a lot of wind. You're just gonna have to pay attention where everything goes. Oh, see, I already snagged a tree.
Right away, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can't tell what it is. What kind? Is it a brookie?
It might be. Oh, you want it? Okay, you want a net for me?
Or Tata, do you want to try?
Okay, right. There we go. Oh, okay, that one? Yeah. I think this is a little brookie. Yeah.
It's a brookie?
I wanna get it. Bonito. There it goes. No, I got it. I can net it. It's okay. I can net. I'm not even gonna use the net. Yeah. Look at this beautiful brook trout. Okay, get in there.
3 fish in 15 minutes.
I don't know. It's patience. Patience, Iago, patience. Wally Wally Cracker. Yeah, you caught your first one. We got it on the net. It broke off? That's a catch, my bud.
At least the hook was still in it.
And we saved the rig. Now it's Tata's turn. Da 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 da. On now. Yeah. It's okay, you're just gonna have to like step on the grass and watch your rod.
I'm not worried about my life and my rod. Wait.
Yeah, just step on the grass.
That's what I'm thinking.
I know, you're supposed to sink because this is all muggy. Okay, that should be better.
Okay. Do we have the chair?
Tata has the chair. And then here, just give me your hand. And go. There you go. There you go.